Kids and cadets, welcome back to Tommy Time. I picked up 3 non-runners yesterday from one of my scrappers. This first one's a Husky. It looks like a 725 CHI, and it looks like it's been run into the ground. The tread on the front left tire is completely missing. And the other side is partially missing and bald. So I would call this a Frankenstein. They have some aftermarket bolts holding on the recoil. There's a couple of zippy ties holding the gas tank on. There's some rust on the deck, and there's some rust through on the back near the bagger hatch. So I put a little bit of gas in it. This one was empty. The oil level is acceptable. So I'm kind of impressed with this one. They drove this one right into the ground until it wouldn't go anymore. So let me pull on this one, see what happens. I've got Happy Juice on the standby. I want to go through these 3 and see if they start on their own. If not, we'll give them a shot of Happy Juice, make them happy. So that's dead in the water. The recoil is broken. It's not engaging the flywheel. So I guess that's the main issue with this Husky. I'll have to put a new recoil housing on it and see what it does. Let's move over to this Murray 22-inch cut. This is a 2003 model year with the high rear wheels. Seems to be complete. Some rusting on the deck, but not too bad. I had to add fuel to this one. Oil level is acceptable. Let me prime this one and see what it does. Okay, not too bad on the Murray 22. Fired off on its own, but surging, and there's some vibration in the handle, so I'm assuming the blade is bent.